You'll notice that you're looking at Lesson 2, Morse code. Now you probably or hopefully already did Lesson 1. We are going to create a video, if you already clicked on this button, and the video is going to be the same for Lessons 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So, what we'd like to show you, which is the same for all lessons, is you will know over here on the left is Morse code. We have dots and dashes. Okay? You've already clicked on this video, otherwise you wouldn't be listening to me talk. However, if you look carefully behind this little square are the answers to the questions below. We're not going to show them to you, but we will delete them, but print them out. You can print them out on the worksheet, but hopefully your teacher will cover them up. Or if you have a copy of them, hopefully you don't look. So you'll notice we have problem 1. We have a dot, dash, dot, dot, and you look up above and determine what is the letter that goes with that, and then you write the word in the corresponding area. Now, what you can do to make this more interactive and interesting is you can go to the main technology website, and what you can do is scroll down to kindergarten and first grade. Now when you go to kindergarten and first grade, look for Morse code, click on it, but you should use Internet Explorer because it's Flash and it'll come up. So then you can bring this up on your interactive board and you can use that to decipher all these. Now, what we like to show you, your teacher, you can print this out, for example, to your interactive board. If you're using Smart Notebook, this is really quite simple. Let me show you in the next part of this video what we're talking about. What we're going to do with this section is show you how to print a Smart Notebook. In the upper left-hand corner, I'm going to click on the word File. Then I'm going to choose Print. And when I choose Print, I'm not going to go to a printer, but I'm going to click on my down arrow, and I'm going to choose Smart Notebook and hit the word Print. What this means simply is this: it will print to a Smart Notebook. Okay, as you noticed, here is our document, and it is now in Smart Notebook. Now I click on the view. I can change it to any size I want. Here is 100, and we can go to 150 if you like. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Internet Explorer. And if you recall, we said scroll down and bring up Morse Code Trainer, but you have to use Internet Explorer. Now, here it is. I'm going to click in the upper right-hand corner and make this a little bit smaller. Now, there's different ways you can do this, but let me just show you one. You can adjust it any way you want. Let's say, for example, you've already printed this out and every student has a copy of it. So a student comes up to the smartboard and he says to himself, what is dot, dash, dot, dot? Well, you can look up here and you can see I think it's the letter L. However, you can click on it right here, the letter L, and that's correct. Now, I'm going to click on the pen, and it's rather thick, but over here in the far right corner, I'm going to change the size to a little bit smaller and hit Save Tool. Okay, so I'm going to put the letter L. Okay, now let me click back, and we have dot, 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 dot. So, what is that? Well, we know that that is going to be O. So, you want to put the letter O there. So, you can write down O, O. Okay. Now we have dot, dash, dash, dot, dash. What the heck is dash, dot, dash? Well, you can do this several ways. You can either look at this or you go back to Internet Explorer, and I'm going to look over here and see what dash, dot, dash is. And I notice it's right here, dash, dot, dash. So that's going to be the letter K. Let me find the letter K here. And I'm going to write the letter K. So our word is K. Now your students, well, you can have one student at a time go up here and figure all these out, or they can create their own at their desk. So whatever or however you want to do that. So I think this is a pretty neat way of allowing your students to learn Morse code at the same time, have fun doing it, and create a code themselves. So using your imagination, you can do a lot of different things. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed your video, and we'd like to thank you for watching with us.
That's all, folks.